So everyone is familiar with big screens like this, but what if you could actually take all of this and have everything within the palm of your hands? Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another video. Today, I'm presenting to you the world's first ZIP Tri-Folding portable projector. Now, right here in this little carrying pouch is the projector I'm speaking of. Let me just take it out and show you guys what actually I'm talking about. So this right here is the portable projector in question. It is a ZIP Tri-Folding portable projector, and it's the world's first portable projector that comes in this ridiculously impressive size. Now, this thing is actually kind of crazy. It's literally out of this world. It provides full projector capabilities. It has built-in speakers, which you're probably wondering, where are these speakers? They're actually built into this really nice, small, compact form factor. Now, obviously, since this is a modern day and age, this projector has some of the best features that you can think on the market. It has, simple Bluetooth connectivity. You can mirror your iPhone's content on this. You can actually connect your MacBook via a wireless HDMI dongle. This is also one of the first times I ever hear about this. You can use a projector this small with a wireless HDMI connector, and it all works smoothly. It's honestly kind of surprising how they were able to create all of this, but let's dive deeper into this AURZEN projector and see how it fully works. Okay, so the AURZEN ZIP Tri-Fold projector is one of its first of its kind. It comes in this super simple design that features a light champagne color. It has a fully magnetic base and an anti-slip rubber-like surface, so you can use it in most places. On the left hand side, you will find the power button and the volume rocker. Further down on the leg that holds the top piece are the speakers and the USB-C port for charging. Now, if we go back to the top piece, we can find a visor-like band where you have your touch controls to operate the device. So on this, you'll be able to control all of the features on the AURZEN projector. You will also find a set of light indicators right above that visor-like band that will display the projector's battery status. It has a set of built-in speakers that will satisfy most viewing scenarios, and for a device this small, they're actually really impressive.
So I'm going to be grabbing my M1 MacBook Pro, and I actually want to try and just test out the CPU. So I'm going to be running a Geekbench CPU benchmark. So we're going to be testing this M1 Pro. We're going to see how it holds up to the regular M4 chip. Now, naturally, this is an M1 Pro inside of my old MacBook. So yes, it's still really powerful and it still gets the job done.
Alright, so for those of you who care about the unboxing experience, it's nothing too crazy, but I thought I would share this with you guys in case you were wondering what it's like. The device itself actually comes with a few accessories that we'll get into later, but the unboxing of the projector itself is quite cool. It comes in this really nice little kind of ergonomic box. It's very simple, very straightforward. I mean, you have your projector inside that's nicely wrapped in this eco-friendly paper, and it comes with a USB-C charging cable as well. So obviously everything you'll need for the projector is fully prepared for you inside of the package. You're not going to need to have any little things to buy next to it unless you want to get some of the gadgets that come with the projector. But one of my favorite parts about the accessories that come for the projector is this little carrying pouch, which is actually really nice. It's made out of this really nice hard shell, which is very high quality, and it allows you to carry your projector with you at all times. And it has 2 allocated slots, so you can have your projector inside, and you can even put the cable inside that comes with the projector, so you can charge your projector on the fly. You can just have everything in this pouch. It's super convenient. It's super small. You can throw it inside any bag, and the best part, it also has a carabiner attached to it, so if you want to clip it to like a bag or something, it's super convenient, super nice. I love this a lot. Okay, but with all that said, let's get into the process of how do you actually benefit from this projector. One of the first and actually one of the easiest ways to set up and connect to the projector itself is via screen mirroring. So if you have an iPhone, this is going to be really easy. It works with Android just as fine. It's just not screen mirroring, it's just an other process, but you'll see it on the projector. You'll have all the steps that are really not that numerous. It's super straightforward. I can just go and activate screen mirroring. It'll show me a code on the projector itself, and then I have to input the code on my iPhone, and then I'm good to go. I'm ready to start mirroring and watching content from my iPhone directly on the projector. This is a super simple setup, and if you want to watch content like on the fly, you want to watch some YouTube videos, but you want to have a different experience, you want to have a nice, more immersive experience than just watching it on your phone, this is super convenient. You can do this on the fly. I mean, the projector is so small, you can literally throw it in any bag anywhere. So this is one of my favorite ways to use the projector. Since it's so portable and my iPhone is also super portable, I can just bring these two together and create kind of like a on-the-fly cinema setup. All right, so let's say you wanted to use it with your MacBook. How do you do that? So it has a really cool feature, like a really cool gadget. It's a wireless HDMI dongle that allows you to connect your MacBook to the projector itself, and it's really cool because it's all fully wireless. Now, in order to do this setup process, it's super simple. What you want to do is you want to start by putting the HDMI receiver into your computer of choice. Once it's in, you want to hold the button on it. You'll see there's a button on the side. You want to hold it for 10 seconds. Once that is done, it'll be ready to pair. You'll see a pop-up on the projector, and then you just want to click connect on the Air link, and boom, you're ready to go. And the best part about this is that the projector itself is fully independent, so you do not need to rely on Wi-Fi to connect to the projector. Obviously, if you want to consume media via Wi-Fi on your MacBook, you'll need Wi-Fi on the MacBook itself. The projector does not need Wi-Fi. It works all the time. It does not need any sort of connection, so it's really good on that. That means it's fully independent. So if you want to bring it outside, for example, you want to download a movie on beforehand on Netflix, and then you want to watch it on the projector, you can do that, you know, worry-free, because the projector does not need Wi-Fi, which is a great thing. But once you're connected with your MacBook, you can use, obviously, kind of like similar to screen mirroring. You'll be able to see whatever's on your MacBook on the screen. I know one of the particular reasons that this would be convenient is that, for example, you want to use like 123 movies, or, you know, websites of that nature where you can watch movies. It's a little harder to have those on a mobile device, as you'll be bombarded with pop-up ads, but in this way you'll be able to use it and fully benefit from that. And the projector is really cool. Like, I mean, it gets super bright, it has a great image quality, and it's just a really good viewing experience. Now, as I'm about to sit down and watch one of my new favorite shows at the moment, I just want to take a minute to talk to you guys about one of these things. So right here, what is this I have in my hand? It is a Magic Mind wellness shot, but you might be thinking to yourself, okay, what exactly does this do? What's the purpose of this thing? So the purpose of this Magic Mind wellness shot is to boost mental health and just overall your performance. This is your all-in-one solution to elevate your mental wellness and just your mental wealth in general. The best part is that they come in this neat little box. You have 15 units inside, which is more than enough for you to try them out for over 2 weeks. This is one of the products that they offer, but they also have a brand new formula, and it's called the Sleep Elixir, and that one is supposed to overall regulate your sleeping habits and just make you just get the most out of your bedtime. Because I know me, for myself, sometimes I just have a hard time going to sleep. I just have a hard time resting and fully recharging my batteries. So in union with the Sleep Elixir and this productivity shot, you will be able to create a brand new you, boost your mental wealth all the way to the sky. So since it's the evening, I'm about to wind down and have my daily dose of the Magic Mind, and I'm going to start getting into my favorite show. So as you guys can see, I have my iPhone and my projector, and right now the lights are on in my room. As you'll see, the lights are on, but the projector is still very nice and bright. I was just watching a zombies related video. As you can see, you can use it anywhere. You can put it anywhere. If you're laying down on the bed and you want to use your roof or your ceiling as a projector, you can definitely do that. This is one of the nicest ways, one of my favorite ways that I've been using the projector. But as you'll see, it is so freaking tiny. You can put this anywhere and everywhere. I mean, you can project it, like if you want it onto that wall. It's not ideal because obviously there's a lot of texture on the wall, but if you wanted to, you could. If you want to be sitting down on the bed and watch something directly facing that way, you very much could. Obviously, again, not ideal because there's texture from the doors, but I mean, the possibilities are really endless. I mean, even if I wanted to move it like this way, maybe use that whole big wall, move the paintings that you see there, or like the pictures, and use that for the projector, I very much could. I could also put it on this screen right here, so if ever I wanted to use it, as you see with the light closed, you can use that screen to project whatever you want to watch. It's really convenient. I mean, you just need to find a viewing angle from here. Kind of have, the only downside is that you really need to find a place to leave the projector. Obviously the setup won't work, but it's really versatile. I mean, bro, this thing is so small, you can carry it anywhere. You can bring this in your pocket, you can bring this absolutely anywhere. It's It's so freaking cool. But with all that said, don't just take it from me. This is a really, truly powerful projector. It has really nice capabilities. And I mean, listen, at the end of the day, keep in mind, this thing is so freaking small. It is crazy what it can do for its tiny size. I do want to give a big thank you to AURZEN for making this video possible. I'm really excited to start using this projector more and more in the future. And I want to bring it on trips and just see how I can use it and impress my friends with this. So if you're interested in the AURZEN ZIP Tri-Fold projector, I'll have everything down below, so don't worry if you want to check it out. All the information will be in the description down below. And with all that being said, let me know what you think of this AURZEN projector. I really do think this one is really innovative and I'm going to be using it a lot. I'll catch you guys in the next episode. I wish you the best of luck in everything you do, and until next time, deuces.